Hi, grade 6 students. So, I'm your teacher for today, no? I'm Zandrex Villabrele. You can call me Kuya Zandrex because I'm just grade 11 student from grade 11 Creativity and Los Amigos National High School. And now I'm already senior high. And now, I have a topic about multiplication of fraction and grade 6 students like you right now. I know you're watching because you're struggling or nahihirapan ka kung paano mag-solve ng simple multiplication of fraction. So, now, ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano ang pinakamadaling way para ma-solve multiplication of fraction or kung paano hanapin ang numerator or denominator. So, ano po bang hinihintay nyo? I-start na natin. So now, like what I said, I'm teaching you what is the easy way of solving the multiplication of function now. So let me give you some example like this. 1/4, you have a 1/4 here and times 2/3. So this is the problem, no? So pinaka-easy na gawin dito ay i-times yung nasa ibabaw at yung nasa ibaba. So, first of all, i-multiply muna natin yung nasa ibabaw. Like this. So, ano ba ang answer pag 1 times 2? Diba? 2. So, ilagay natin dito. 2. And then, tapos na tayo sa ibabaw. Ito na yung answer na nasa ibabaw. So, sa baba na naman tayo. 4 times 3. So, ano kayo? Mag-multiply kayo. 4 times 3. So, 4. 4 plus 4. Like, ipa-plus lang natin ng 3 beses. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8. Then, ang 8, add tayo ng 4. Agad sa 8 kay 3 yung nakalagay dito. So, 8 plus 4 equals 12. So, the answer of the bottom side here is 12. So, yan yung answer sa 4 times 3. 12. Alam na siguro nyo yan kasi grade 6 na kayo. And now, hanapin natin yung common factor ng 12 at 2. So, ano ba ang common factor ng 12 at 2? So, ang common factor ng 12 at 2 ay 2. So, i-divide natin yung 2 at 12 to 2. So, divide natin dito. So, divide to 2.